Side hustles are great for extra money, but what if you could turn that hustle into your full-time income? Most people start with quick gigs, freelancing, online stores, or local services, but they never figure out how to escape the hustle trap. In this video, I'll give you the step-by-step roadmap to turn any side hustle into a real business that gives you freedom, stability, and financial security. And stick around until the end, because I'll share the #1 mistake that keeps most hustlers stuck spinning their wheels. Not every hustle is meant to grow into a business. If you're flipping old items on eBay, or filling out surveys, that's fine for pocket money, but it's not scalable. The hustles that grow are the ones that solve ongoing problems, can be repeated or outsourced, have room for bigger clients or products. For example, freelancing with AI tools can start solo, but later scale into a digital agency. Print on demand might begin with t-shirts, but grow into a full Shopify brand. And dog walking sounds small, but with apps like Rover, it can turn into a pet services business with walkers, sitters, and even grooming. If your hustle only makes money once and doesn't bring repeat customers, it's not the right one to scale. This is where the shift happens. A hustle is you doing the work. A business is when you have systems doing the work. That means setting up tools and processes so money comes in without you handling every part. Examples: automate e-commerce with Shopify plus Printify. Use AI chatbots to answer questions while you sleep. Hire freelancers on Upwork to handle small tasks. Imagine this: instead of walking dogs yourself, you hire 3 other walkers. You book clients, take a cut, and suddenly, you're running a pet care business, not just a hustle. Once you've got systems, you need clients. At the start, marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, TaskRabbit, or even Facebook Marketplace are great. But the real growth comes when you move from one-off jobs to long-term relationships. Examples: a freelancer who designs one logo can upsell into a monthly social media package. A print-on-demand seller can build an email list and resell new designs. A cleaner can turn a one-time booking into a weekly subscription. This is how you go from unstable hustle income to predictable, repeatable business revenue. Now let's talk branding. You don't need to spend thousands, but you do need to look professional. Here's the minimum setup: a simple one-page website with Card, Wix, or Shopify. A clean logo made in Canva. A social media profile where you share work and results. This small step changes everything. Clients see you as a real business, not just a side gig. And that means bigger contracts, referrals, and faster growth. Finally, if you want your hustle to become your career, you need a long-term vision. Ask yourself, can this become an agency, a store, or even a franchise? Can I eventually remove myself from daily operations? Where do I want this to be in 3 to 5 years? Because hustlers think about their next job, but entrepreneurs think about their next level. The biggest mistake I see? People never make the leap from door to builder. They keep trading time for money, instead of creating systems that free their time. If you don't make that shift, you'll hustle forever, and never own a business. So there you go, the step-by-step roadmap to turn your side hustle into a full-time business in 2025. Now I want to hear from you: which hustle should I break down into a full business model first? Comment below and I'll make that video next. And don't forget to subscribe, because coming up, I'll show you how to take freelancing, print on demand, and local services, and scale them into businesses you can run for life. This is Wealthpath Media, helping you grow smarter, earn more, and live free.